Hello everyone, I'm Ashtar Tashi. I welcome you to one more session with my gorgeous goddesses. I do hope that those of you who have been watching these video forecasts for a few fortnights now are benefiting from these sessions and also enjoying them. So let's see what the messages are for this fortnight. So the card that slipped out, we must now read what that message is first. Well, we couldn't have asked for anything better. This is Goddess Abundantia, the goddess of abundance. So, abundance for us can mean many things. Abundance for some people is material prosperity, material wealth coming into their life. For some people, abundance or prosperity is when they are blessed with good health and they are free from stress and they are free from tensions and worries. That also is abundance of peace. Some people feel abundant and prosperous when they have many opportunities to pursue whatever it is that they like to do professionally or otherwise. So, Goddess Abundance, the opening card for today, she has slipped out of the pack as we saw. She is actually blessing us that whatever the moments may come in your life this fortnight, remember it is all leading to abundance. It is all leading to abundance. So, do not doubt that why are we going through this or going through that. The larger picture from the universe is that about prosperity. So, keep that at the back of your mind with everything that you go through this fortnight. Our second card for this reading is Goddess Saraswati. Saraswati, for those of us who are familiar with Hindu mythology, do know that she is the goddess of creative arts. The message here from Saraswati is that pay attention to everything creative in your life at this moment. Anything that you do. So, even if you are a homemaker and you enjoy cooking, well, Saraswati is going to encourage you right now to pursue new ways of doing your cooking. Try out new recipes. That's a good start. And also, for example, you're a painter or a writer or a teacher. Bring creativity and more creativity into all the activities that you like to do. How interesting and exciting. The times are going to change. So, what you thought otherwise only as a hobby, maybe you should give it a thought and make it into a business, proposition for yourself. That should work beautifully for you. The third card for today's reading is Isis. She is the goddess of past lifetimes. Now, that makes our reading quite interesting. Isis believes that you know things from your past. Looking at Saraswati, let's connect the message from Isis. Maybe there is something that is inherently a talent that you possess. It might be a talent from the time you were a toddler. Maybe you pursued it then and then gave it up. Isis reminds you that now go back to your childhood or to those times of your teenage years or to those times of another lifetime perhaps, where you were already blessed with some kind of a beautiful talent. Why don't you look into that space of your life? Pick up the threads from where you left them and look into that creative aspect of your way of thinking that you can now take it forward, and when you do that, you are going to move on to abundance. To receive this abundance, all you need to do is open up your arms and be open to receiving. The minute you are open to receiving, the universe is going to bless you with more. So, to wrap up the whole message here, abundance, creative pursuits, and past life. If you want abundance in your life, you need to look into the creative aspects of your talents and also remember that you have done this before. Somewhere in your life, you need to focus, you need to contemplate, you need to go within, and you will pick up that intuitive thought that yes, how do I already know this? I have not done it before. How do I have this? How can I even do this kind of a creative activity without having to learn it formally in this life? So remember to respect that gift, because it is something that you are carrying forward from another time. Enjoy this going within, enjoy this connection with your past, and you are so blessed that you can actually take this forward and bring so much more abundance in your life. May the goddesses always bless you with creativity, with abundance, and a deeper connect with your higher self. With those blessings, I bid you goodbye for this fortnight. See you again soon. Keep shining. Namaste.